Are you a fan of tools, whether they're for hardware, electric work, or anything else? Well, you'll be amazed at how advanced they've become. Let's start with one of these incredible tools you didn't know existed. The cordless foam cutter represents a new era of freedom and convenience in the art of foam cutting and engraving. With the elimination of cords, you're no longer limited by the length of a power cord, allowing you to explore your talent and inspiration without limitations. Enjoy up to 45 to 60 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. With a cutting wire diameter of 0.014 inches and an output of 27 watts, the Manova hot wire foam cutter is designed for quick and easy cutting jobs. The thicker and more durable heating wire ensures reliable performance and long life, efficiently meeting your cutting needs. The complete toolset included offers unparalleled versatility, with 4 different tips for cutting or engraving foam with precision. From the standard cutting tip to the engraving tip, you'll have everything you need to complete a variety of creative projects. Plus, the foam cutter comes with a convenient USB-C for charging, so you're always ready to go. But if you liked that, the next one will be even more impressive. Talk about tools that'll make your life easier. The Pyburn Grip represents a revolution in the world of laser engraving, offering exceptional precision and repeatability along with unparalleled versatility. With this accessory, you'll never have to worry about horizontal shifting or the need to use fences again. The firm grip ensures that you can engrave in both directions, allowing you to create detailed and complex designs with ease. In addition, the ability to engrave in relief opens up a world of creative possibilities. With the Pyburn Grip, you can make multiple passes and engrave at different depths, allowing you to create three-dimensional effects and deep textures on a variety of materials. From small items like rings to larger pieces like pet bowls or delicate glassware, this versatile accessory allows you to personalize a wide variety of items with a high level of detail and precision. With the Pyburn Grip, the only limit is your imagination. No matter how complex your design, this innovative accessory gives you the freedom and ability to bring your most creative ideas to life. If you were impressed by the power of this tool, wait until you see what the next one has in store for you. Next up, we have some exceptional tools for modern life. The bevel gauge and meter box is not only an ingenious tool, but also a lifesaver for woodworking projects that require precision and professionalism. Its 2-in-1 design offers a complete solution for measuring and sawing meters with maximum efficiency, ensuring a perfect fit for baseboards and other carpentry elements. One of the main benefits of this tool is its versatility. With the ability to measure angles from 85 to 180 degrees, it covers a wide range of needs, from standard corners to more complex and hard-to-reach corners in old buildings. This ensures that you can tackle any woodworking project with confidence and precision. In addition, the meter box provides a stable and precise guide for cutting materials, eliminating guesswork and minimizing errors. With movable arms and guide pins, you can ensure that every cut is precise and even, no matter how complex the angle. If you like the quality of this item, get ready to be amazed by what's next. Check out this incredible tool I bet you didn't know existed. Constructed of high-quality stainless steel and powder-coated, these welding magnets are durable, corrosion-resistant, and rust-proof. Ideal for use as clamps and positioners in welding, soldering, marking, pipe installation, and more. Their bright yellow color helps you locate them easily, making your welding work more efficient and accurate. The arrow-shaped design of these magnets allows you to work at different angles while welding. They can be used at angles of 45, 90, and 135 degrees, leaving your hands free to work more safely and efficiently. It includes 2 3-inch magnets with a weight limit of 25 pounds, 4 mini magnets with a weight of 10 pounds. The center hole in the 4 mini magnets and 2 3-inch magnets allow you to easily grip the welding magnets. These welding magnets are the perfect tool for any welding task, whether in professional workshops or home DIY projects. Their durability, strength, and versatility make them a must-have for any welder. With their ergonomic design and enhanced functionality, they allow you to work more efficiently and safely in a variety of welding applications. Pretty great, isn't it? The next one promises to take you even further. Another game-changing productivity tool is the multifunctional 3-in-1 wood chipper, an essential tool for any gardening, landscaping, or green waste recycling task. Its shredding and chipping capabilities offer exceptional versatility for a variety of needs and applications. With a 15-to-1 reduction ratio, this wood chipper can handle a wide range of materials, from branches up to 3 inches in diameter to leaves and corn residue. Its unique sloped housing design minimizes clogging and ensures a smooth, efficient operation every time. Equipped with a powerful 7-horsepower OHV gas engine, this chipper can handle the most demanding jobs with ease. Its ability to shred hardwood and thick branches makes it ideal for forestry work and yard maintenance. It's also designed with safety in mind. It's important to always follow the instructions in the manual and use proper hand and eye protection. With its EPA CARB certification, you can rest assured that you're using a machine that meets the strictest safety and quality standards. If you've enjoyed the versatility of this tool, you'll be happy to know that the next one takes that versatility to a whole new level. Introducing a unique tool that will blow your mind. The RFP 1220104 cordless rain barrel pump is powered by a replaceable 12-volt lithium-ion battery. This pump allows for efficient and convenient garden irrigation, completely independent of water and electricity connections. With a flow rate of 1500 LH, a maximum delivery height of 11 meters, and a telescopic tube for immersion depths between approximately 540 millimeters and 1000 millimeters, it's a thing of the past. Thanks to the flat suction function, barrels, tanks, pools, or ponds up to 1 meter deep can be easily pumped. The telescopic swan neck wand fits all standard garden hoses with hose couplings. The battery charge indicator alerts you when to recharge the battery with the included charger. Built-in dry run protection stops the pump when there's no water to pump. Forget the hassle of water and power connections with the cordless rain barrel pump. Enjoy the freedom to water your garden efficiently and hassle-free, even in remote locations or when there's no access to an electrical outlet. This equipment is impressive, but what comes next will leave you speechless. Undoubtedly one of those amazing power tools for professionals. The 22V lithium-ion battery riveter is an indispensable tool for installation and industrial production tasks that require optimal performance and great versatility. Its ergonomic design and perfect balance ensure comfortable and precise work for long periods, increasing productivity and reducing user fatigue. With the ability to accommodate rivets up to 4.8 millimeters in diameter and up to 5.0 millimeters for aluminum rivets, this riveter offers a wide range of rivet diameters, making it suitable for a variety of applications and materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and steel. The included tip piece sizes, 2.4, 3.2, 4, 4.8 to 5 millimeters, ensure versatile compatibility with different types of rivets. One of the standout features of this riveter is its battery-powered operation, providing cordless mobility and greater flexibility in the workplace. The 25mm stroke for fixing long rivets ensures a firm and durable grip, while the built-in LED light offers direct illumination of the work surface, facilitating work in low-light environments or confined spaces. If this equipment surprised you, wait until you see what the next one has in store for you. I assure you it'll be even more exciting. The convenient and lightweight Avanti paint and stain sprayer is easy to use and clean, ideal for large home projects. The variable pressure trigger gives you total control to achieve precise feathering and blending effects. HVLP technology reduces paint waste, translating to greater cost savings. Cover large areas quickly with minimal overspray and dripping. The high-performance motor only operates when the trigger is activated, reducing noise and extending its lifespan. All parts that come into contact with paint have smooth surfaces for super quick cleaning. With a 2-finger trigger for easier operation and less fatigue during extended periods, and a variable flow trigger that provides precise control over material output, this Avanti paint and stain sprayer is the perfect tool to achieve professional results in your painting and staining projects. If this product won you over, wait until you see how its successor will completely conquer you. Speaking of cool tools, it's time to meet the Precido 1825 Hybrid Compressor, part of Einhel's Power Exchange family, which offers unparalleled versatility thanks to its hybrid function. With this innovative feature, the compressor can operate both at home, connected to the mains power, and on the go, using a Power Exchange battery. This compressor is capable of handling both high and low pressures. With its high and low pressure pump, you can inflate car and bicycle tires as well as balls and air mattresses. Additionally, it features a low-pressure suction function to release air when necessary. The compressor also has an automatic stop function that halts the pump when the desired pressure is reached, ensuring efficient and safe use. For added convenience, the compressor is equipped with an emergency light and a carrying handle, making it perfect for use anywhere. Moreover, the included 4-piece adapter set eliminates the hassle of searching for the right piece, whether for tires, balls, air mattresses, or inflatable boats. If these tools have impressed you, tell us your favorite down in the comments.